Hey, what's up, guys? Today I finally got word from Strange that I'm getting my axles probably like the beginning of next week. So I'm gonna throw my rear end back in the car and I'm gonna tack all of my brackets that need to go on. I've also got to get the anti-roll bar tacked up, and then I can pull it all back out again just to have it welded. One of my buddies is like a good TIG welder, so he's gonna do it for me. And so that's all gonna happen here in the next few minutes. I'm gonna pull everything out of here and start getting after it. This is my first time actually putting a wishbone in with the rear end in and all that, so I'm liking how it looks. It definitely came out good. I forgot completely that these tabs or whatever were so long. I thought at first that this was gonna be short, but then I forgot, you know, the rod ends on each end, the slider itself is, I don't even know, like 12 or 13 inches long. So pretty crazy. I'm glad though that actually, because once it's elevated, it'll sit right there and it'll be perfect. So I'm excited. Definitely coming along. Like I said before, I talked to Strange and I should have my axles next week. And I've got to just finish up the little stuff on this rear end. So once I get my axles, I can throw everything together, get this thing on the ground, get it off jack stands. But then I'm going to tear the front end apart. I've got spindles already from an S13. I'm going to go through Import Drag Solutions. They've got these coilovers. They're double adjustable. There's a guy that runs a 240. I can't remember his name, but he has a 240 with a 2JZ, and he's got those coilovers on it, and it is a monster. It's like ridiculous. That thing just does nothing but hook. And I've got, you know, a nasty rear end I'm putting in this thing. Single adjustable for me was perfect, and they came with my I did a back half kit through Checkered Racing. So these frame rails right here, this like assembly itself, this bar wasn't here, but this you know 2x3 tubing was all here. This was with the shock mount or the coilover mounts. So it came with the rear end, the back half itself, the 4-link, and that's it. I welded this rear end housing, or the brace on the back of it, and like I said, I added this bar. You know, obviously all the roll cage stuff, that's all coming along. I'm just one thing at a time. I'm trying to get everything settled. And this battery box I put in the other day, I figured that I had enough room. I really don't, so I'm gonna have to cut that back off and move it back, because my tubs are actually gonna go, it's like a ½ inch too close. So I'll just move that, no worries. I mean, I didn't weld it solid anyway because I thought it might be, which it is, which is no problem. My tubs, I've been saying I'm putting them in forever, but I really need more than just myself to do that. So just little stuff here and there. Gotta keep, you know, plugging, getting it closer. Axles was like the biggest thing I've been waiting on, so I can actually get more stuff rolling. Because once I get this thing on the ground, I'm gonna have a lot more motivation overall. Like, I'm excited. I ordered my front wheels the other day. They'll be here tomorrow actually, and they're 17 by 4.5s, and so I'll upload a picture of those or video of those, you know, unboxing those or whatever also. So thank y'all for checking it out. I'm get to welding some stuff up, see how these tabs are gonna go. I gotta trim them and everything, and yeah, I'll get with y'all tomorrow and show you my new wheels. This should be nice. I don't have tires yet, but the wheels will be here. I'll at least be able to see what it's gonna look like. Like the 350Z wheels are on the front right now. I just I just had to have something to roll around on. Honestly, I have all 4 of them. I might roll it around for a while on those. Like if I have to, I want to get some stuff powder coated, but everybody's like high as crap around here to get powder coated. I'm hoping that Holbrook in Palaca can hook me up, but we'll see. All right, so thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell your friends that you know there's some bad little Nissan coming. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good night.